Good sharp drop across gold and silver yesterday and a very smart recovery towards the end of the day. I hope you all profited there, as we said that there is a possible buy at 1975 for gold. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next analysis will be released precisely 10 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start here. Now see, once again, if you track the movement of gold, drop, retracement, see lower highs, then drop, lower lows, then lower highs. So this is still bearish till the time it stays below 2010. I will not confirm this as bullish. Remember this fact, till the time it stays below 2010, 2015, do not consider this for a reversal. In fact, rather I will say till 2020 also there is a possibility of a drop there. So this is one point. Yes, it is trying to recover. Yes, it is trying to trade bullish. However, be cautious till 2010, 2020. First, let's see if it can rise till there or not. Now look at the hourly charts. You will find there is a sharp resistance at around 1997 levels, and see it has shown a good swing. And if you look at higher highs, higher lows, so once you see it trading above 2000, yes, you can buy. However, remember 2004, 2005 is the safe entry. Till 2004, 2005 we have to be extremely cautious, as it can reverse there. Now if you look at the highs there, see here around 2015, here around 2010, here around 2000. So yes, 2000 levels are certainly going to be the next stronger resistance, and 2005 specifically I will watch out for if it rises still. At the same time, on the downside, 1989, 1990 levels, yes, you can sell there again and expect it to continue with the downward move. As we can see, lower lows, lower highs, so lower lows again are very much possible. Stochastic has dropped, trying to recover. MACD is trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI almost trading flat on the hourly charts. And if you look at the 2 hour, now if you look at 2 hour charts, yes, it is trading below the 20-50 100 period moving average. And if you look at the super trend, which is also on sell till 2000, and that is why 2000 is the only safe entry. But then also till 2005, 2010, do not consider this as bullish, as it can resume the downward trend. At the same time, remember below 1990 we can sell here. So 1990, 2000 levels do not trade today. Stochastic overbought, trying to look down here. And see, it has started, resumed its downward journey. Let's see if it continues there. However, look at MACD. This is crossed over at a bottom, and it is trying to diverge. It is trying to trade bullish. See this, it has completed its journey here, double cross bottom and trying to recover here. RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at 3 hour charts, now see on the 3 hour charts, to see again, this is what I am trying to show you, and this is a clear cut bearish channel in which it is trading after this sharper drop. Hence it needs to come out of this channel, which is for today. It is at around 1965-60 levels. If it trades below this, it is going to give you a very sharp decline for 1940 levels. Now see again, this is the zone where I will recommend you not to trade. Yes, 2000, above 2000 there could be little bullishness. However, do not consider this as reversal till 2010, 2015, 2020, the next resistance levels. Only about 2020 we can expect that it is going to fly high. Stochastic is overbought here too. Look at MACD. The MACD on the 3 hour charts is again crossing over for a buy entry here, and this crossover is happening at a bottom there. See, first crossover, then second sell, then now again trying to cross. So this time if it continues, certainly more bullishness may prevail. RSI trying to look upward, show a little strength. And if you look at 4 hour, similar is the observation on the 4 hour chart. See, near term candles, if you look at higher lows and higher highs. Yes, in between 1990 2000 we should avoid trading. Stochastic looking up. MACD is on the verge of its second crossover here. It tried to cross over here, failed to do so, diverged. Now again looking upwards. I will wait for a good confirmation. If it continues to diverge, certainly little more bullishness can be expected. RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at daily, now look at daily chart. See, first of all, see here lower highs, good sharp tails there. But at the same time, the yesterday's candle has a very interesting observation is the tail size. Look at the tail size, very long tail and a very small body. It means that the prices are not willing to stay downwards, and it has seen a good. Second point to observe here is lower highs, which means 2005-2010 zone is going to remain important for the day. Only and only if it stays above 2010 there could be further bullishness, but till 2020 also we need to be watchful. Stochastic on the daily charts has dropped, trying to recover. The MACD still is divergent and bearish, you can see. And see this, we have seen this crossover at very high levels, indicates that there could be near term bearishness which might pull down the prices. RSI is trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. Now for the day, that is why I say that yes, also remember for the day it has already formed a little tail and a wick here. I will wait for the direction it takes. Certainly about 2000, 2004, 2005 zone is the first target, then 2010, and then as I said 2015, 2020 till there. Do not consider this as bullish. Possibility of a reversal exists. At the same time, remember the fact that once it stays below 1990, which is certainly a good support, below that till 1980 you have to put a $5 trailing stop loss. Once it stays below 1980, we are going to look at another round of good drop which is going to take it below 1970 this time, and in fact we can see it dropping till 1960 levels. Now see this, till yesterday we had seen higher lows, higher highs. Yesterday it has breached the channel. This is also very important indication that it tried to breach but failed to sustain. That is what we should summarize here. And hence once again, if you see it trading below 1980, possibility of a more drop exists there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts now on 1st of May. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver's movement. See lower lows first of all, lower highs second. Yes, if you see it trading above 2550, 2560 levels, that is the level only above which there could be further bullishness. At the same time, in fact, you can buy here at 2540, expect 2550, 2560 as the next target. Only bullish confirmation is if it trades beyond 2560, where we are again looking at 2580 and $26 levels. See stochastic on the early charts at bottom. MACD is in green, trying to converge, and RSI almost trading flat here on the early charts. If you look at 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation here. It is still bearish, it is still trading sideways. At the same time, if you see it trading below 2520, you can sell here, but then 2510 very strong, and 25 only below $25 further bearishness is going to be seen. Then 2480, 2460 are the next targets. See stochastic has crossed over on the bottom and trying to converge again. It is still in green. And if you look at the RSI is almost flat. If you look at the 3-hour charts, now if you look at 3-hour charts also, see it is trying to consolidate more in this zone. Hence it needs to give a breakout 2520, 2510 levels, and then 25, only below which we are going to look at lower lows there. So this is possible. It can achieve lower lows. 2460 is going to be the next stronger support. Stochastic here on the 3-hour charts is also overbought. The MACD, but look at MACD. The MACD has crossed over at bottom. See, it is trying to peak out here, and possibility, it does not mean that, see this, it can achieve highs at around plus 30. It does not mean that it cannot achieve minus 30 levels. Yes, it can. Possibility exists that if it converges, crosses over for a sell, we may see a good sharp drop. Right now it is bullish. Remember, RSI is flat, and if you look at 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts to see the 20 and 50 period moving average sitting at around 2520 and 2510, you should wait for it to break out. Also look at these 4 candles indicating a very strong resistance at 2540 and flat top, which means that there could be a pullback on the downside. So I'll wait for it to break below 2520 where you can sell. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over here but trading with very little divergence. RSI is almost flat, and if you look at the daily chart, now see on the daily chart, the previous candle had a very long tail. Higher highs are at around 2540, 2550 zone, which is a very sharp, stronger resistance. Now it is trying to, now see the bullishness anyways is not there. The body size is diminished. It means there could be a pullback. Yes, if you see it trading below 2520, you can sell, but then 2510 and 25. Only below 25 further bearishness is going to prevail. Till 25, be watchful. Stochastic has dropped for silver, trying to recover a bit. The MACD on the other side is still, see, divergent, bearish, and this crossover is coming at a higher levels. It can stress the drop a little bit for a while. RSI very near to the top there. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 25.20 and buy 25.40. On the downside, 25.10, $25. These are the two very near and stronger support. Below 25, we can see a good slide which might take it for 24.80, 24.60 levels. On the upside, beyond 25.40, if you are buying, remember 25.50, 25.60, these two levels, it needs to break past by 25.60 in order to confirm bullish, else you have to put a strictly stop loss at cost if you're buying at 25.40, or put a trailing stop loss so that in case of a reversal your trade closes in profit. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship patch, and also you can be part of my signals channel. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.